Hello everyone, this is your VMAT mentor Apurva from Macrovision Academy Burhanpur. Today our topic for VMAT is dictionary order. It is a very simple topic as the name itself suggests. In these questions you have to arrange the given words in the sequence in which they'll occur in the dictionary and then choose the correct sequence. We'll take a few examples for the same and we'll learn the technique in which you'll be able to solve the questions very fast. Everyone will be able to solve the questions without a doubt. Only you will have to pay attention to the words because all the words, as you can see in this question, are very close words in the dictionary. So make sure you are reading the words very correctly, very properly, and then you are using the technique in which you will be able to solve the questions faster. For examples, in this question, in all the options you will see either the first word is fourth or fifth. In option A, first word is fourth, B fifth, in option C fourth, in option D fifth. So instead of comparing all the words and guessing which one will come first, you can do what you can do is you can compare only fourth and fifth words first, so you know which of these words will be the first word in the dictionary. So fourth and fifth, fourth is wrench and fifth is wrath. In wrench, W R E are the first three words. In wrath, W R A are the first three words. So obviously in the dictionary, first word will be wrath. So first letter, first word that will come in the sequence as per the dictionary is the fifth one. So we can eliminate the other options, that is option A and C. Their fourth words are the first words. We can eliminate it. Now from option B and option D, I have two choices. Either 4 is the next word or 2 is the next word. Fourth and second. We have to select either of them. Fourth is wrench again and 2 is wriggle. Now either of these two is the correct one. So which one is the correct one? The correct one is fourth, wrench. WRE comes first and WRI comes later in the dictionary. Now directly you can eliminate the options. You don't have to look at every single one of these because these words are very closely related. Sometimes you will make mistakes, so better safe than sorry. Better to eliminate the options and choose the correct one. Here the answer is option B. We'll take a similar question. Five words, four options are given, four sequences are given to you. Again we will do the same thing. In these options the first words are fifth, first, third again and fifth. So we'll compare only first, third and fifth words so as to know what is the correct sequence of this question. Now while I compare these, I'll know that first word will be sprawl. SPR are the common words. SPR are the common letters in all the three words. SPRA will be the first word in the dictionary. Now next, either third or fourth word will be the next one, because in option A and D, the remaining options, you can see either third is the next word or fourth is the next word. Here you can see either third or fourth is the word next to 5. Therefore we'll select one of these. Now spree or spurt, next word will be obviously spree in the dictionary. Spurt is eliminated, therefore option fourth is eliminated from the options. Answer is option A, that is the correct sequence. We'll take a few more examples for the same. Again 5 words and their sequences is given. Now to select the first word, what are the options? Options are 1, 5 or 3. Which one of these is the first word? Now again you will compare and see the first word is crease. CRE are the common letters in all these words and crease is the first word. Now if you eliminate all the other words except for crease, that is the third word, you will directly find the answer, that is option D in this case. Now next question, you have 6 words and again 4 options. In all these options you can see A, B, C, D. First word is either 3 or 5. So I have to compare only 3 or 5. First word will be either third one or the fifth one. The answer is intricate. That is option 3. Word third is the first word. Intricate is the first word. Now we can eliminate option D from this because first word in D is fifth word. That is not the answer. Now next we have to compare third and fifth because that is the second word in all the other options. Third or fifth. Third is what? Intrigue, and fifth is, first and fifth. First is intrinsic and fifth is intrigue. When I compare these two, I'll know that the word that comes in the dictionary is intrigue. The next word will be intrigue, not intrinsics. INTRI are the common letters. G and N. When you compare G and N, the first one will be G. So the next option is 5. These two options will remain and I can eliminate option C. Okay, now I'll have to compare the next one. Next is first in both the options. Next word is the same, therefore I'll not have to compare. We'll directly jump to the next word, that is fourth or sixth. Here you can see in option A it is fourth and in B it is option the word sixth. Now when I compare fourth and sixth, I'll compare which words? Introvert and introduce. Now which word will come first? Obviously introduce will come first. INTRO are the common letters. Introduce will come first. D comes before V. Therefore I know the sequence. I can eliminate option A and option B is the answer because option C will come, option 6, word 6 will come first, right? This is how you will be able to determine the correct sequence of the words. If you have any problem, mention it in the comment section. Practice and improve your skills, improve your speed. That is all this topic is about. It is a very simple topic, like I told you, everyone is able to solve it. Only question is, are you faster, are you able to do it correctly and before everyone else? Thank you, have a nice day.